Okay, hi everyone. Today we are going to learn is about calculation based on packing efficiency and void percentage. If you remember in my previous class I have explained you about the table part where I have given you the packing efficiency of all the unit cells, cubic unit cells. Okay, as I have said you it was like this. In PCC means primitive cubic unit cell or simple cubic unit cell, packing efficiency value is 52.4%. 52.4%, and that in BCC is 68%, and that in FCC is 74%. And if you subtract this value from 100, that will give you the void percentage. So the packing efficiency in PCC, SCC is 52.4, in BCC is 68, in FCC it's 74. When you subtract it from 100, you get the void percentage, students. Then I have given you the distance formula for PCC is equal to A, and that for BCC, that is body standard, is root 3 A by 2, and for FCC is A by root 2. Okay. Not only that, I have given you the radius formula for all of them, and as I have said you is like this. Radius formula for PCC SCC is half the distance. So half the distance means A by 2. Half the distance for BCC means this much divided by 4, and half the distance out here is 2 root 2. So student, this is the packing efficiency of these 3 cubic unit cells. Subtract from 100, you get the void percentage. This is the distance formula for this 3 cubic unit cell, and half the distance will give you the radius. Okay. Now we are going to see is the calculation, how to calculate the void and void percentage and your packing efficiency. Okay. Now we are going to do first of all for PCC or SCC. So let us see what is the packing efficiency for PCC and SCC. Okay, packing efficiency for PCC and what SCC. But again, before we see that, you need to remember, okay, whether it's PCC or SCC is same, BCC and FCC. Okay, number of atom in PCC is 1, in BCC is 2, and in FCC is 4. Number of, and this we get Z. So Z means number of atoms present in primitive cubic unit cell or simple cubic unit cell is 1. In body standard is 2, in FS standard is 4. So let us start the calculation of packing efficiency first of all for PCC, primitive or simple cubic unit cell. So packing efficiency I am writing as PE, and the formula to calculate this is Z into volume of spherical particle, okay, divided by volume of cubic unit cell, into 100, because we are finding the percentage. Okay, so what is the value of Z for PCC? The value of Z for PCC is how much? You can see Z value for PCC is how much? 1. So Z number of atom is 1. Volume of a spherical particle, here we consider atom as a spherical particle, so its volume will be 4 by 3 pi r cube, the formula of volume of a spherical particle, divided by volume of a cubic unit cell. Cube volume formula is A cube, students, then into what is left here is 100. Okay, now we'll further solve the packing egg. One no need to write. So here is 4 by 3, pi means 22 by 7, r cube is r cube into 100, this one. Now what we have to do here, student, is we are going to find the value of A in terms of r. And after we substitute A in terms of r, we can cancel above r with the down r. To do so, you have to see the PCC distance formula. Distance formula for PCC is equals to D is equals to A, you can see. And the radius will become half the distance, you can see. So if you cross multiply here, so the A value will be 2r. So that means A can be written as 2r. So I am going to replace this A with 2r. I am going to replace this A with 2r whole cube, because here is cube. Now let us expand it further. So we get here is 4 by 3, 22 by 7 into r cube into 100, and denominator, if you see 2 cube becomes 8 and r cube becomes r cube. So this r cube and this r cube will get cancelled, students. Now whereby what is left, let us see here. 4 into 22 is 88 upon into 100. 7 2 is 21. 7 2 is 21 will go down. 7 2 is 21 will go down, and what is down here? 8. So if you divide this 2, it will go by 11, students. So what we get here is 1100. 11 into 100 is 1100 by 21, and if you divide it, you will get 42.4%. Sorry, 52.4%. So we got the packing efficiency. Last time I said you to directly remember the value packing efficiency for primitive, it was 52.4. Today we derive by its calculation, and this calculation sometimes comes in your board exam for 1 marks. So we got the packing efficiency. Now how to find the void percentage then? Void means 100 minus packing efficiency, which will give you 47.6% students. So this is how we find the packing efficiency and void percentage for PCC SCC. So if you want students, you can take the screenshot of this. Now we are going to do the same calculation for another one. And that is for BCC. So let us find how to do for BCC, okay? Let us find now how to do the same thing for BCC, body standard. Again the formula is same, students. Now you can see from here that for BCC the value of Z is 2. So replace Z with how much? 2. Z is number of atoms. So for BCC number of atoms is 2. Formula of spherical particle is 4 by 3 pi r cube only. Volume of cubic unit cell is a cube only. Cube volume is a cube into 100. Now you can multiply. 4 2s are 8 upon 3. 4 2s are 8 upon 3. Pi means 22 by 7. Then we have is r cube into 100. In denominator we have a cube. Now again here also we have to find a in terms of r. So let us see the distance formula for body standard cubic unit cell. The distance formula for standard cubic unit cell is root 3a upon 2. So therefore the radius formula will become half the distance, so that will be 4. So therefore if you cross multiply, 4r upon root 3 will give you a. So the value of a is coming 4r by root 3. That we are going to put out here in place of a. So if you do so, then it will be 88 upon 3 by 22 upon 7 into r cube into 100. Now the value of a cube we have got is 4r upon root 3 whole cube. I am just replacing the value of a in terms of r. Now when I do so, let us multiply up. So it will be 8 into 22 by 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21 into r cube into 100 students. Denominator 4 cube means 64. 4 into 4 into 4 is 64. And root 3 cube means root 3 into root 3 into root 3, which will give me 3 root 3. And what we get here is r cube. So similarly r cube and r cube will get cancelled just like before. Now what is left with us is 8 into 22 into 100 will remain up, and even this 3 root 3 will go up. What remains down is 21 into 64. 21 into 64 will remain down. So you can cancel this by 8. 8 8s are 64. 3 1s are 3. 3 7s are 21. Now what is left up there is 22 into 100 into root 3. The value of root 3 is 1.732. As you know, the value of root 3 is 1.732. Down what is left is 7 into 8. 7 into 8 is 56. Again students, if you calculate the value of this, it will come 68%. Okay, so I am not doing the calculation. You have a calculator, so you can do the calculation, and the value will come here 62.68%. Now therefore, how to find the void percentage, students? Void percentage will be 100 minus 68, and that will give you 32%. This is how we do the calculation of packing efficiency and void for BCC. So students, if you want, you can take the screenshot of this, and this is how usually in the board exam the question is asked. So we have finished packing efficiency and void calculation for PCC and BCC. Now we do for is FCC. So when you do for FCC again, students, now see here what happens. Okay, Z value formula is same. So number of atom for FCC is 4. So replace Z with how much? 4. Volume of spherical particle is 4 by 3 pi r cube a cube into 100, the formula. Now 4 4s are 16 upon 3. Pi means 22 upon 7, and r cube is r cube into 100. Now divided by a cube. So again we will find a in terms of r. So distance formula for FCC. Distance formula for FCC is a by root 2. You can see here. So the radius will become half the distance, that is 2 root 2. From here you can see. So therefore the value of a will become 2 root 2 r in terms of a. So I am going to replace this a with now is 2 root 2 r whole cube. I have just replaced a with r and cube, so I put here cube. Now let us expand this. So it will get 16 upon 3, 22 upon 7 into r cube into 100 divided by 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2, which will give you 8. Root 2 cube is root 2 into root 2 into root 2, which will give you 2 root 2 r cube. So again r cube and r cube will get cancelled, students. 8 2 is a 16, 8 2 is a 16 will get cancelled. So what remains of is 2200. 22 into 100 is 2200. Now 7 3 is a 21 will go down, 7 3 is a 21 will go down. Now what is still down? Root 2. And the value of root 2 is 1.414, the value of root 2, students. Now if you do this calculation, it will come 74%, students. This is how we find the packing efficiency for FCC students. Now to find void percentage, the same packing efficiency we subtract from 100, that is 74. When you do so, the void percentage will come 26%. So in this episode of mine, or in this part of mine, I have done the calculation to find packing efficiency for primitive cubic unit cell, simple cubic unit cell, and body center cubic unit cell and face center cubic unit cell. Directly you remember the value for objective, and this is if they say you to find it. But do remember, to find packing efficiency, you need to know the distance and radius formula, which I have shown you here. And Z means number of atom, and for PCC is 1, BCC is 2, and FCC is 3. Okay, if you want, you can take the screenshot of this. So this was for today. Thank you very much.